I'm Ben Chaffin with Chaffin Farms. We farm in Ithaca, Michigan, raising sugar beets, corn, soys, string beans, peas, and then we do some organics as well. We do that as a family operation. And we've been moving to the Goodyear Titan 800 and 900s. So we've got two four-wheel drives set up with the 800s and 900s, and we've got some mechanical fronts set up that way for planning. If we go east, we farm some really heavy ground. If we go west, we're into potato sand. There's not been a situation we've found the tires to not work or to not be happy with. Yeah, we like them for behind the planter. We just plan into the rows. You know, we like them doing tillage. You know, it doesn't matter where we send the tractor, we've been happy with them. The 900s have worked really well compared to triples. They ride better, and then if you do have a flat tire, you don't have to take off all the tires, the rims, the spacers. You can just take off one tire and you're to that inner. We got the first set of tires the spring of 13, and we've been running them on a planting tractor ever since we got them. So they're on this 9460R right now, and we've put 4,700 hours on the tires, and they're still an average of 60%. The LSWs have been available with good service. You know, they are American made, but it's important that they have technicians that know what they're doing. We've had, you know, Pat out here and some others that help us set the air pressure, help us pick the right product for the right job. Coming and seeing us and providing that support is what sold us on Goodyear and Titan. They're here with a footprint saying, this is a tire you need, we can get it for you. You know, to solve the issues has been the impressive thing with Goodyear.